Welcome to Investor Web, where we dive deep into the essentials of personal finance and investment strategies. Understanding your net worth is not just a matter of curiosity, it's a critical component of effective financial planning and making informed investment decisions. Think of your net worth as a financial snapshot, capturing the essence of your economic health. It's the result of subtracting your liabilities from your assets. This simple equation, however, reveals much more than just a number. Knowing your net worth gives you a clear view of your financial landscape. It helps you assess your current position and plan your financial future with greater precision. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a dream vacation, or investing in new opportunities, understanding your net worth can guide your decisions, helping you to allocate resources wisely and avoid over-leveraging. It serves as a compass, guiding you through the financial wilderness, ensuring that every step taken is measured and contributes positively towards achieving your economic goals. Stay tuned as we break down the process of calculating your net worth into simple, actionable steps. First, let's clarify what net worth actually means. Essentially, net worth is calculated by subtracting your total liabilities from your total assets. Think of assets as everything you own that has value. This could be cash, investments, or properties. On the flip side, liabilities are what you owe, such as loans, mortgages, or other debts. By understanding these components, you get a clear snapshot of your financial health. With this understanding, you're ready to start calculating your own net worth. Calculating net worth starts with a thorough assessment of your assets. To navigate this landscape effectively, let's embark on a detailed journey through your financial terrains. Begin by considering liquid assets. These are your cash reserves available in checking and savings accounts. It's crucial to keep these figures updated to reflect the most current balances. Next, we venture into the realm of investment accounts. This includes stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and perhaps even cryptocurrencies. Each asset here varies in value, so accurate and recent evaluations are paramount. Moving on, let's discuss retirement accounts, such as pensions, IRAs, or 401(k)s. Although these might be locked away until later years, their current values significantly contribute to your overall financial picture. Now, take a step outside the financial statements and evaluate tangible assets. Real estate, whether it's your primary residence, vacation homes, or rental properties, often represents a substantial portion of one's assets. Ensure you use the most recent market values for these properties. Don't overlook personal property that can hold considerable value. Vehicles, artwork, jewelry, and collectibles. Here it might be wise to consult with an appraiser or refer to recent sales of similar items to gauge an accurate estimate. Finally, any other business interests or intellectual properties that generate revenue should be considered. These assets can sometimes be overlooked, but are vital in painting the full financial picture. Once you have a complete list, you're halfway through the process. Next, we tackle the other side of the equation, your liabilities. When calculating net worth, it's just as crucial to assess what you owe as it is to evaluate what you own. Liabilities, simply put, are any debts or financial obligations you currently have. This includes everything from the balance on your credit cards to your mortgage, student loans, and any other personal loans. Start by listing out all your liabilities. Create a comprehensive list that includes your mortgage details, car loans, student loans, credit card balances, and any other debts. Remember, the key here is completeness and accuracy. Each debt should be listed with the most current balance you owe. For instance, if you have a mortgage, note down the outstanding balance, not the original loan amount. Similarly, for credit cards, list the current balance, not just your monthly payment or the limit. Why is this so important? Well, underestimating your liabilities can give you a false sense of financial health. Overestimating, though less common, can lead you to undervalue your actual net worth, possibly affecting financial decisions or investment opportunities. Ensure you also include any informal debts, such as money owed to friends or family members, as these are part of your financial obligations too. Once you have a clear list of all liabilities, you have taken a significant step towards understanding your true financial position. With both assets and liabilities listed, we can now move on to doing the math. Now, let's sum up both sides, starting with your assets. First, gather all the figures you've listed under assets. This includes your checking and savings account balances, the market value of your investments such as stocks, bonds, and perhaps your retirement accounts. Don't forget about real estate or any personal property that holds significant value. Add all these figures together thoroughly. The sum represents your total assets, a crucial figure that reflects the resources you have at your disposal. Next, we'll tackle your liabilities. Here, you'll want to compile all your debts. This encompasses your mortgage, car loans, student loans, credit card balances, and any other personal debts. Ensure each amount is current and add these together meticulously. The resulting figure is your total liabilities, which indicates the total amount you owe. With these totals at hand, you're just a step away from knowing your net worth. All set to find out what your financial snapshot looks like. So, you've diligently listed your assets and assessed your liabilities. Now let's piece these together to reveal your net worth. This is simply done by subtracting your total liabilities from your total assets. Imagine your total assets amount to £200,000. This includes everything from your savings accounts, investments, properties, to that vintage car sitting prettily in your garage. On the other side of the ledger, your liabilities total £100,000, encompassing mortgages, car loans, credit card debts, and any other obligations you might have. To find your net worth, subtract the £100,000 of liabilities from the £200,000 of assets. Voila, your net worth would be £100,000. But what does this number tell us? A positive net worth, as in this case, indicates that the value of your assets exceeds your debts. It's a sign of financial health and suggests you have a buffer against potential financial challenges. Conversely, a negative net worth, where liabilities surpass assets, signals that it might be time to reassess your financial strategy. This could involve increasing your income, reducing expenses, or managing debts more effectively. Understanding this figure is your first step towards strategic financial planning. It's not just about knowing where you stand, it's about planning where you want to go and setting the financial goals to get you there. Knowing your net worth is more than just a number, it's a tool. It serves as a critical benchmark, guiding you through the financial decisions that shape your future. Let's explore how you can leverage this powerful tool to set and achieve your financial goals. By understanding your net worth, you can craft targeted strategies for debt reduction. This involves identifying high-interest liabilities first, allowing you to plan a more cost-effective repayment schedule. Similarly, your net worth provides a clear picture for enhancing your savings. It shows you where cuts can be made and savings can be increased, paving the way for a more secure financial reserve. Investment strategies too can be significantly refined with this knowledge. Knowing what resources are at your disposal allows for smarter, more informed decisions about where and how to invest, aligning with your long-term financial aspirations. Additionally, updating this calculation regularly is crucial. It not only reflects your current financial status, but also tracks your progress towards your set goals. Regular checks and balances on your financial health can steer your financial journey towards success. You've now mastered a fundamental skill in personal finance. Understanding how to calculate your net worth is not just a number-crunching exercise, it's a clear lens through which you can view your financial landscape. Let's briefly recap the journey we've taken together. First, we explored the importance of knowing your net worth, setting the stage for why this knowledge is crucial. We then delved into what constitutes net worth, breaking it down into assets and liabilities. You learned how to meticulously list your assets, everything from cash, investments to properties. Following this, we assessed your liabilities, debts and obligations that subtract from your total assets. We then moved on to the calculation phase, where we subtracted your total liabilities from your total assets to find that all-important net worth figure. Understanding this value is pivotal as it guides your financial decisions, helping you to plan more effectively and invest more wisely. Thank you for watching Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful financial guidance. Plan smart, invest wisely, and watch your net worth grow.